Hello everyone, this is my first check-in for the markets today. It is 1:48 p.m. Central, 2:48 p.m. Eastern. This market check-in is bringing some surprises because this is the first time I've actually looked at the charts today. Well, I guess it's really not a surprise because I did say in previous videos that this was going to be Thursday and Friday were going to be some really powerful movement days. I haven't done the planets to see what the placement was, but I had done some pre-calculations on moon placement, and they played out pretty good. So here we have this candle right here that gave us a high and then hit our low. Okay, it's barely noticeable. These kind of candles can really trip you up because of how small they are and where they're placed. But there, as you can see in this area here, there was a little bit of a consolidation. Let me see if I can make a square there so you could see it. Okay, there was a little bit of a consolidation right there. And that was kind of the indication that there was going to be some momentum coming in somewhere. So that was your cue to watch. And hopefully you did and waited, because once it hit this 38.2 level, we got our push to the upside. We got a little bit more consolidation there, right here. And we got that strong push up at 9 a.m. this morning. So all this consolidation was these buyers saying, yeah, okay, let's jump in. And at 9 o'clock, institutional traders are coming alive, so they threw their hats in the ring, and that's where this strong candle came to the upside. But it had been accumulating, so it was no surprise there. If you were in this trade, you probably did really good. You got almost 100 pips, 86, I believe it was, at the top of the mark here. So 86 pips is not bad for, a day's trade if you're trading in larger lots. A lot of people are. And my own personal limit is 50 pips per day. If I can snag 50 pips per day, then I exceed my goal by the end of the week. A lot of people don't trade that way. I'm a swing trader. I don't mind staying in trades 2, 3, 4 hours, sometimes overnight. I try not to stay overnight unless I am going to be actively watching the charts during those hours. So this is a good play here. It panned out just as I thought it would. I had done some actually before today's market check-in, I had pre-calculated some levels and recalculated my lower levels based off of the 1353 low rather than the 1363 low that we had yesterday because of the move that we made. And if I scale up, you'll see, hopefully if it's in frame, I'm going to pull this over a little bit, that I have my blue flag here planted at this low where the moon position was 292.05. All right, that was the moon position at 6 a.m. Tuesday morning. Okay, so once that was calculated, oh dang, sorry guys, I'm moving the wrong thing here. Let me see. So once that was calculated and I made my mark about this level here, I knew that the next target would be hit there. Now, not only did it hit it, it just blew right through it. And my rule is if it blows through it, it will come back and test that level. Because it has to be precise. Now, what's interesting about this, I have a Fibonacci scale ladder that measures a little bit differently than the regular Fib scale. So when it retraced back to 38.2 here, down here, I knew that it would touch the 61.8 zone or go somewhere near between, because that's kind of generally the retracement on it. But this is not your typical retracement. This is projections to where the levels could hit. And that 61.8 is our golden ratio level. And as you can see, this red candle, boom, hit that level right on the nose, man. I couldn't have made this up if I wanted to. It kissed it exactly and gave a hard rejection back to the downside. And so that let me know that I was on the mark when it came to predicting where that would go. So what I'm looking for now. What am I looking for now? Um, I am looking for the market to retest the 61.8, which it looks like it is on this candle here. It didn't quite touch it, never does, but it does retest the area and it'll pull back. And I think when it pulls back, it's going to hit this level here at 1504.1 to test that level as well, because as you can see, we have price hovering right around that area on this red candle and this green candle here. So this is an important magnet right here. It's probably going to pull price back down to this level, maybe test it precisely. If it does test it precisely as support, then we could expect that it will continue to move to the upside. Okay, because here at this level, right here at this gold line, which is 16.17.1, that is the square out. And a square out is just that. It squares out and the whole darn thing makes a complete turnaround. So let's see if that happens. I'll be interested to see if that happens. But right now, I'm just going to watch to see if it come back and test this support level, break through it, or break through it to go back down and or bounce off it and move to the upside. So that's my market take for now, and I'll see you tomorrow morning for pre-market. I will do pre-market on Friday. Okay.